Okay, today is May 2, year 2026. We're here at the Subic Yacht Club. And there, I have a boat here. Magkano kaya to? Okay, let me show you this boat. This is where I fly my shuttle helicopter on this boat. Maybe 10 years ago or even more. Okay. Di ba ito yung boat na gamit ko, di ba? Nagpalipat tayo ng ito yung boat na gamit ko eh. Nagpalipat kami dito ng ng shuttle ko dati. Ayan. Eh, yun. There. There. Okay. This is where I fly. Ay! Ayan. This is where I fly my helicopter. Maybe 5 years. I can't remember. Here we are. Okay, dito. Okay, if you want to rent this boat, it's for rent per hour. Hindi ko alam kung how much they charge. But they rent it out. Okay. Init dito. Pwede ba tayo mag-overnight dito, matulog? Kaya lang, wala tayong kuryente, no? Ang dilim. Akit tayo dito.
Tanda, mga mamulog eh.
Okay, here we are. This is a captain chair. Ayan Diyan ako take off. Okay, that's about it. Thank you. It's already 6:30. There. Meron pa lang saksakan eh. Pwede pala daw tayo matulog dito. Minsan pwede. Okay, pwede pala mag-overnight dito. At least hindi ka na mag-hotel, dito na lang. May kuryente. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.